Buy cheap refurbished iPhones, Samsungs, and other top brands right now at QwikFone.com. QwikFone is a trusted and professional seller of top-quality refurbished gadgets and excellent phone repair service and parts. We never compromise on quality. QwikFone is a 360-degree solution provider in the telecommunication industry and is making heroes every day by providing a cheerful alternative to buying new gadgets. We offer our clients the highest quality parts, the best value mobile phones, and the most efficient repairs. Our refurbished phones are renewed using OEM refurbished parts. This provides the original performance quality at the most affordable prices and comes with great warranty policy. QwikFone is environmentally conscious, and our refurbished items are a green alternative to more expensive new ones and delivers so much more value. We believe that to change the world, you just have to do what's in your power and have a good reason for it. Actions like that defines a hero and saves the planet. Join our many happy customers and do the right thing today. Be a hero. Visit QwikFone.com.